So we are now at Chew Valley Lake in Somerset. We've been here 2 or 3 hours actually. it was really overcast and clouded, but it's now sunnied up a bit. We have seen when we first got here, there was how many Glossy Ibis were there? About 8. You counted 18 Glossy Ibis down at the water's edge somewhere, but they've all gone now. I did take a couple little video clips of them, which I'll put on there in a second. I did take some photos, but they were rubbish. But yeah, I'll put the little video clips right on it now. Right on it now? On it. On here right now. Van in front, this white one here, he did have a parrot on the railings outside his van just now, making funny noises. There's also an ice cream van, and there's also a little bin further down. Right, so we're just crossing the road, and there's like a little mini pond over here. Oh, there's lots of crane flies in the grass. I don't want to go any further, no. Oh, there's loads of them. Yuck, 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 yuck. Right, there's the pond. I'm getting out of here. So, normally, all of this is underwater. But because of the summer, the dry summer, it's like this. But just in front here, there's like a little tiny bridge with a path. Now, you reckon that might be the old road?
Well, not maybe.
Oh.
Not, it's an anode road.
Anode road, which would normally
be underwater.
Be under the water, which the path over it goes right over there. Don't know.
Don't come out anywhere.
No. So we've had, what, a couple buzzards flying around, haven't we?
Great white egrets, little egrets, grey herons.
Sorry, couldn't hear you because of the traffic.
Great white egrets, little egrets, grey heron, cormorants, mallards, mute swans, sparrows.
African grey parrot.
African grey parrot, yeah. Ring plover. Let's see what else we see.
Anyway, we are now going for a little walk down along here, and then we think there's a path behind that house there that goes down to the point, possibly.
Where there's a bird hide, apparently.
Apparently there's a bird hide, yeah. Right, another little viewing point for the pond. That's as far as I'm going. There. But yeah, it's quite a long lay-by. It's alright, the road is a little bit busy now, but that's going to quieten down. It's not like a main road or anything, is it? Right, so we're walking along this little cycly sort of pedestrian path here along the road, not very far, and there should be a road that goes that way, hopefully. Right here. I'm assuming it's this one. No, that's somebody's house, is it? Oh. Oh. Private property. Can't get down there then. Oh, bugger. And that's chained up as well. Oh. That's a bit paid to that little excavation then, isn't it? Excavation expedition. Sod it. Yeah, you reckon there's a entry point at gate? It definitely says private property. Okay, so it says you only load in that gate if you've got a permit. He's just looked on, he's looking online now. You can buy a day permit. I don't know how much for and how do you do it? Get back to you. Okay, so a permit, one permit per person for one day is £7, so that's £14 each. So sorry, altogether. So no, we're not doing that. Sorry, for a 10-minute walk. No. So anyway, we are thinking of staying here. Well, we are going to stay here the night. I think it's on Park for night and all that jazz. And all the reviews and that say it's really quiet at night, so that's what we're going to do in our view, because our dining room window and our bedroom window will be looking out at this view. Like I say, there is a bin if you need it. Ice cream van for your breakfast in the morning.